Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro on your Android device. So we cannot find this application in the Play Store. It calls Backbeat, and if I try to find it in the Play Store, we have only HoloLens what HP offer for us, but in this application we haven't, not here, right here, we haven't our earbuds. So right here we have a list with supported devices, there is no Plantronics. So you need to go to your browser and write Backbeat app. Okay, now you can use this website, but I don't need to install this store, I need to only APK, so we can scroll down, and I'm going to use this website. It's up to you, you can use another one, so tap on it, then scroll down. Oh yeah, and right here we have download APK, or you can also click right here, install the last one. But right here we have also the last one. Click download. Then let's scroll down again. And right here, click at this button. If you use this website, click download anyway. Open it and install. Now open the application. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. Then allow. If you want to find your earbuds activated, if not, just skip it by click at the skip button at the right bottom. So I'm going to, while using the app, continue, and done. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!